Welcome to your Spanish class grammar section, page 275. Today we're going to learn to communicate with less repetition. To do that, we need to review the direct object pronouns. So let's go back to pages 202 and 203. Page 202. Direct objects receive the action of the verb and answer the questions what or whom. Note the following examples. I need to do what? You need to buy the concert tickets by Monday. Yes, I do need to buy them. Another example. I have to call whom? You have to call your agent. Yes, I do have to call him. Did you notice in the first example, in the last sentence, that you didn't say concert tickets? You only said, yes, I do need to buy them. Since we are having a conversation with another person, it is not necessary to say again concert tickets. It is not necessary the repetition. It is understood that you're talking about concert tickets. Same happened in the second example. Here, in the last sentence, you only say, yes, I do have to call him. Since you are having a conversation with another person, you already know you're talking about your agent, right? Instead of saying your agent or my agent, you only say call him. In Spanish, to avoid this repetition, we use los pronombres de complemento directo. Note the following examples of direct objects in Spanish. María toca dos instrumentos muy bien. María plays two instruments very well. As in English, we can replace direct objects nouns with direct object pronouns. Note the following examples. María los toca muy bien. María plays them very well. So in this case, we're not mentioning the two instruments. We are using direct object pronouns. Los would be the direct object pronouns. Let's look another example. Sacamos una canción nueva el 1 de septiembre. We are releasing a new song on September 1st. So here we're talking about a new song. La sacamos el 1 de septiembre. We are releasing it September 1st. La would be the direct object pronoun. La is replacing canción nueva. So instead of saying canción nueva, we're using la. Here's another example. ¿Tienes las entradas? Do you have the tickets? You could also say, ¿las tienes? Do you have them? So, las is replacing entradas. The direct object pronoun here is las. No conozco a Benicio del Toro. You could also say, no lo conozco. In this case, the direct object pronoun is lo. I don't know him. Here's another example. Siempre veo a Selena Gómez en la televisión. I always see Selena Gómez on television. A shorter way to say it, or to avoid repetition, could be Siempre la veo en la televisión. I always see her on television. La is a direct object pronoun. In Spanish, direct object pronouns agree in gender and number with the nouns they replace. The following chart lists the direct object pronouns. Repeat after me. Me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las. Placement of direct object pronouns. Direct object pronouns are: number 1, placed before the verb. For example, ¿tienes los tambores? Sí, los tengo. Tengo is the verb, and we have los, the direct object pronoun, before the verb, tengo. And number 2, attached to infinitives. ¿Tengo que traer los guiones? You could say, los tengo que traer. Tengo que traerlos. So here, we can attach the infinitive at the end. To the traer would be the infinitive, and los would be the direct object pronoun. So you can attach it, and it's correct.